Happy New Year's. It's Eve. Oh, he jumped in. So does that double reverse then?
And now it goes back to you.
Today we are going to talk about my putty.
You're gonna go get more on. You wanna show off your tattoos that we put on? Closest thing to Disneyland as it gets in Oregon. It's gonna ultrasound on this side where it's all enlarged. 8 years on YouTube. Here to show you is that I am gonna do some posting for my website. I don't know how much longer I'll keep this up, which is kind of sad. It's been a lot of work, but my YouTube is kind of where it's at, and the tutorials. We should pull one of the chains off. This is true. Make Your Mark is the start of a new chapter for me. My best friend from high school made them. They're so beautiful. It'd be complete without a dance party for the day, huh? Little nugget to big nugget. Are you getting warm with Dad, Hino? Oh. Do yours, Lukey.
Ooh, Scooby. Scooby-Doo, Lukey, look. Oh, yeah. Nice to make a little castle. What records your gameplay.
And now it's your own.
Happy birthday to you. I didn't know it did that. So when I got up there, in others' lives and their health has always been. Wow. Now that was a morning session. Cool to see them come back. Hey, birthday. How old are you? 7. You have to wiggle out. You got the frog one.
Hey, that's good.
It is Hello Kitty.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. For a hug. Yeah. Cotton candy. It's gonna be my first CAT scan ever.
It was a fun day.
It was a good day.
Bingo! Oh, so
He's
spicy.
beautiful. It's the one. Biggest trees you've ever seen.
Yes. But not the one.
Perfect weather and day.
No birds, but still awesome.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, there's a purple and blue one. Oh, and a blue bed! Yay! For us. Yay, this is mine. What's your favorite part about the house? Can I? Oh.
That was an old color. That is nice and fresh. Here. Pretty cool.
Yes.
Oh, a memory.
Shiny nacho.
It's a really nice picture. Thank you, you guys.
Oh.
A haul I just had from Ross. In your summer dress. Love it.
Yeah.
Oh, love you.
Yeah?
You did get some nice boots for it, huh? Wow, those came out.
I did.
Are we recreating your strawberry photo? I'll try to recreate this one. definitely give you the tiger tail. Hip hop time, my boy. It's fun.
Aloha Friday. Hey little guys.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute!
Yeah.
Cool, they put him in the lobby. The triple hug before performance. Aww. I'm so proud of you two.
Last day of school!
It really is the 2024 to 2025 school year. I'm so proud of you two. And then the kids made cards too. Grapes? It's lovely. Yum. Check out that pizza.
Picture.
You. Happy birthday, dear Adrian. Love you so much. Thanks everyone for watching.
I see you on my birthday this time.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah. And I hope you will tell Bridget that too.
Yes, we feel 100% the same, don't we? Love Bridget.
Too.
These are the best siblings ever.
Didn't she look like Adrian?
Oh wow, you just do that? Wow, yeah.
Micah's really good. Did you hear Dad and I talking about who I saw? Was it your sister Adrian? We can
I can be in.
Oh, you guys are so goofy. Beach to go golfing. Come with us.
Look at my new game.
You always dancing, Sindel.
I thought you meant on the game.
Oh no. Look, I'm
This
driving.
thing seems like.
Beach. Wow. Ready to rock and roll?
Yay.
So we're like, okay, we'll sit, we'll eat, we'll think on it.
The hat for
The lunch. It was so amazing. You're so beautiful. To drive along the peaches. It's the first day. Yeah, they came off perfect. Blackberries and blueberries and peaches. A family movie night hangout. So beautiful. Cold.
Any?
Close to no.
What does that mean?
Bike ride.
Decided to show the kids the Douglas Punch Bowl. And I heard that squeal. Lucas picked out the one for me to ride next to him. There's our face paint, and Lukey's a shark. So sweet. Lukey, who's this? We made it back, and they're just cleaning up. Found it. This is where you're gonna want to leave them.
Where do we put them?
One bud. Oh, the picture spot. I'll hold your book for you, okay? To the next station.
Smokey the Bear balloon. Wow. It looks like a marshmallow.
Pineapple. The kids are like loving it. Maybe that's probably why.
Oh.
It's done. It's official. Had to come see it from above. And pizza time. Hummingbird. They're so happy now. Best part of it. And then we gotta try this zip line. That's a new thing too. got done making the rock candy. That was so much fun. You're gonna have to check that video out. And we made extra colors. Coolest earmuffs ever. Like, I wish I'd gotten a pair for myself. This was an awesome trip. Dry. Back with Micah. That was an experience.
Felt bad for her.
I felt bad for you when you were out
nice
there.
When I was
I was enjoying being in the car.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yes.
All right. What do you think, bud? You got a great smile. Oh, I bet. Get all the glue off. Before we go to the carousel, are we gonna get you a smoothie from right here? Mm-hmm. I'm so excited for you. How's the retainer fit?
Good. A smoothie, Lukey?
Are you two testing no hands?
Okay, now pull it out.
Careful, careful.
Oh,
whoa!
See, I told you it's gonna be the biggest.
Some came out better than the others. I love you. Okay, so that's that. That's all the ingredients. And
Blackberries.
raspberries.
Curl it up. 4, 8, 9. It's all in a shake.
I think I'm gonna call it Look at That One.
Little pony.
My little pony. Hello everyone! So much candy. What do you think, Ken?
It flopped out.
Then hang them on the tree, right? What a candy cake! Look good? Do they sell presents too?
Yeah.
That is a great spot. Christmas morning. Are you two ready to go down and see the tree? Officially? Those are pretty rad, huh, bud?
Here it goes. I'm taking a video.
3, 2, 1.
Go outside.
What were the best gifts today, Sindel? Happy birthday, Bridget! We love you. We hope you're having a wonderful day.
Hi.
It is snowing.
You're gonna start going. There you go. Yeah!
Ready for snow. And have a nice winter.
Happy winter. Are you serious?
12.
Woohoo!
It's 12.
That's it. Happy New Year, baby princess. I love you. 2026. I see it.